Hello everyone, we are here in São Paulo today to talk a little bit with LSSA, with the presence of Dick Taces, the CEO of the company, and also with Osmar Codo, South America Sales Manager from Minitab. The idea is to listen a little bit, about the new projects, the new business, and let's see what we can take out of this. I have a few questions, but please feel free if you want to add something. You are more than welcome. Osmar, a question for you. It seems that Minitab is very connected to Lean Six Sigma. Could you please explain what is the connection and how exactly this started?
I think overall, if you go back a few years in time, when Six Sigma started with GE and Motorola, the product that were most ready to attach it to those initiatives, it was Minitab on the statistical side. They were looking for ways to approach the Six Sigma and Lean a little bit after that with the usage of a statistical software that could help them on the initiatives with the statistical side. And Minitab has been in the market for a long time, even before Motorola and GE with those initiatives for Six Sigma. In '72, professors from Penn State created the software to help the students get more up to speed in terms of putting in practice what they learn in theory during the years of the university in college. So we have been working with this core business of ours, Six Sigma, continuous improvement, quality practitioners for a long time. We can say with proud that we are serving these customers for a long time, and it's a privilege to see how we can transform their business, industries, projects and process every day.
Wow, that's a great history. Very nice to hear. Dick, maybe you can help me now. We know that you publish a number of Lean Six Sigma books. We have the opportunity to see a few ones. So why did you choose for Minitab to explain some of the books and to bring so many examples? Tell me what's behind.
Yeah, what's behind? Well, first of all, I've been working with Minitab software for about 25 years now. So what version would it be 25 years ago, Minitab? 11, 12 more?
Yes,
maybe
probably.
10,
probably.
So yes, I've been a lot of experience with Minitab. And along the way, I also used some other softwares once in a while, but I was happy to go back to Minitab again every time. So when I wrote the books, I had to explain all these theories. And of course, I need to print screens and explain how the things work. And the great thing from Minitab is that all the techniques that we as green and black belts use, they are there in the software. So you don't have to look for it, it's there. So it was very obvious then that we use also Minitab to put the examples in the book.
Oh, that's great.
I'd like to use the opportunity here to thank Dick. We are partnering with them for a long time, so in Netherlands and now worldwide, right, Dick?
Yes.
And now also in Brazil.
Now also in Brazil, so it's
worldwide,
good to...
first Brazil.
Yes, so it's a privilege to work with a company like his company and all of the expertise they have to help the customer. So first of all, to thank you for the partnership.
Be happy, and I think for almost 3 years now we are gold partner
for
in the Netherlands.
Gold partner, yes,
so,
special level of partnership.
Yeah.
So that's great, and I hope Brazil can even improve this in the coming years.
Yep.
For you now. The field of continuous improvement developed a lot during the past years. How did Minitab deal with this development?
Yeah.
Tell me a little bit about
the future, right?
Yeah,
the future. What is coming? I think the digital transformation, the digital journey, it is what we are facing right now. Not just right now, but through the past few years. And Minitab is showing that we are ready for that next step. So we're bringing not just only Minitab statistical software as it is, but we're transforming more towards to a company that is specializing in solutions analytics, ready for the big data sets like big data, machine learning techniques that we put inside Minitab. And we are launching live analytics that the customers can select what they want to see live, transforming the analysis that they are doing. So I think the most important piece now is the digital journey that we are helping our customers. I think that we can summarize will be that.
This, brings something that I think it was in your presentation today.
Yes,
it's all about data.
We talked about Industry 4.0 and data. Everything is connected with data. So we need to connect a lot of things and do more with data. Yeah,
that's true. Dick, as an experienced master black belt, you probably use Minitab a lot. So can you describe a little bit more, explain a little bit more how this can be used, mainly because we are now as part of the partnership between Exin and LSSA to bring the official trainings and certifications in Portuguese now to the Brazilian market. So how this can be used? Let's try to bring this now to Brazil. How this can be used, to help the professionals in terms of their learning, steps.
So main part of continuous improvement is about Lean and Six Sigma, and especially for Six Sigma, you need to do some analytics, some analysis, and you need software for that. You cannot do everything in Excel. You can calculate an average, maybe in a standard deviation. You can draw some nice graphs, but if you really want to do the big thing, then you need support from a good software, and that's where Minitab comes in. Not only Minitab statistical software, but you have like a package like Workspace.
So Engage.
For value stream mapping and graphs and flow charts, those kind of things.
Yes.
Project charts, you can use Workspace as well.
Yes, and also we're offering now in the local language, so it is available in Portuguese. Something that we launch. It's available for our customers here in Brazil now. Workspace and Engage in Portuguese, together with Minitab that was already translated to Portuguese. So the local language, I think it's very important, ease of use and local language for the customers here in Brazil. It shows us the prestige we have for this country.
For this country. I can easily understand what you're talking about. Localization is a keyword for our market. That's incredible. Yeah. Is there a way to prove your experience that you are able to work with Minitab software, some kind of certification? Maybe you can just elaborate a little bit more?
I think Dick can tell more about that side, specific to a training.
There's no specific certification that proves that you are able to work with Minitab, I think. So it comes back then to the certification that we introduce with Exin and LSA together, to prove that you are a green belt and a black belt. Then you also prove that you be able to work with a package like Minitab.
Because it's a combination between the training is a combination between training and practice, and using Minitab, professionals can really not only learn but also practice how they are going to do this on a daily basis.
The whole approach and using Minitab as part of the approach to have better results, I think that is the secret to a successful initiative.
Yep.
That's great.
I agree to that.
Anything you want to add, or that's okay?
No, it's nice to meet each other again, because we met each other in the Netherlands a couple months ago, and now we're here again, so happy to see you.
Thank you for the time. So, Milena Andrade, responsible for the operations of Exin in Brazil, and I'm very happy to have these guys here today to give some extra inputs for us, and that's it.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.